Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop online. I know most of you don't have Photoshop on their Chromebook, so I'm going to show you a way to access it online, and work with it online. I'm going to be using a new browser, okay, that I haven't logged in with Photoshop yet, so I can show you everything from scratch. So now, if I search for Photoshop, you just have to search for Photoshop, and then open the second link, the first link here, or the second link, this first link, Photoshop. This one is to download, and this one is to open and work with. Now, I am on the Photoshop page. I just have to sign in. Let's click to sign in. You can use your email here, your school email, because we have an account with Photoshop, thanks to the school. Or you can click view more and continue with Microsoft. I'll continue with Microsoft. As you can see, if you haven't signed in yet with Microsoft, he will ask you the first time to enter your email. So you enter your school email again. You enter your password, your school password, your account password, 365 account password. Click OK. And then if you want to stay signed in, you can stay signed in, or you say no, not to stay signed in. Never. And now I'm connected to Photoshop. So which one I need to use? I want to use Photoshop Web. This is the one we're going to be using. This is the one we're going to be using, okay? So now bookmark this page, add this page to your bookmarks, if you want, if you don't want. Okay, done. Control D, no, done. That's fine. Okay, so now I have some pictures there, but if you want to upload an image to work with, you just click on upload, and then you find your picture, the one you want to upload. Mine seem to be here. So I'm gonna upload a puppy. So I'm uploading a puppy. So now I have my puppy. I can add a layer. I can add a new layer, okay? And to my layer, I can add a shape. And delete this one actually. So I don't need this one. When you add the shape, look. When you add the shape, you don't need to add the new layer first. You just add the shape you want. So I'm gonna add the shape, and it creates a new layer for you. And just let's see what it gives me there. Layer properties, stroke no, style yes, stroke. I don't want stroke, do I? Let's see. Okay, you can see the color changing. It changed to red. Stroke width. Ooh, too much. Let's say 20. And transform. Let's get it. Control Alt, Control Window, Shift, Alt, Control, Control Alt, Shift Alt, Window Alt. Have a look. Okay. Now, layer properties, this thing, layer properties. Okay. time. I'm gonna do no color. Can you see? I did here, no color. If I go for solid color, I get to the gray. No color. And I have a frame for my picture. So now if I come there, what happens? Look, can you see? Can you see? Now I have a rounded frame for my picture. Alright. Let's quickly make sure everything looks nice and neat. This can move to give you space to work. Okay, one more. Okay, so we have our frame. What do we need to do now? It's enough, okay? I showed you how to connect to Microsoft Online, get this is where you move this box, okay? From the left, let's put it back. Okay, now move, deselect, this selection. I don't want to select this. Unless, what happens if I do this, and then this, and then this, and let's move this one somewhere. Can I move this somewhere? No. Done. Okay, now I need to move you, and then this. Okay, so now I have the frame without the background. Okay, now I have the frame without the background. How is that? Also, enough. So I showed you how to connect with Photoshop, how to get a picture, how to upload your image, your first image, how to create a new layer, upload the first image, create a new layer, how to add a stroke to the layer, how to get rid of the background of that layer, how to curl the layer. We can still curl it further. Look, we can still curl it further, or we can go where we were before. Let's make sure. Okay, let's go where we were before. Let's see how much we can go, how far we can go. Okay, a little more. Okay, so create a layer, delete the background of that layer, keep the stroke. We started with the shape. So we have two layers to work with. So now if I go like this, it's hidden. If I go like this, the bottom one is hidden. So you can work with Photoshop Online without any issues. And if not, there's always another solution. It's enough for me for this video. And I'll catch you on my next video, hopefully. Bye.